Let's make homemade flour tortillas.
Perfect for quesadillas, burritos, and wraps. These homemade tortillas only need 4 ingredients and they taste so much better than store-bought, so if you have the time, give these a shot. Add salt to lukewarm water and mix to dissolve. Add plain flour and lard into a bowl. Break the lard up to coat all of the flour, then gradually add water and mix until a shaggy dough. Turn onto a floured work surface and knead for 3 to 4 minutes. Wrap your dough and rest for 30 minutes. For the size, I found 85 to 100 gram portions made a medium to large tortilla. You can always play around with this. Cup your hand and roll dough into a ball. Place the ball onto a floured surface, then press down with your fingers. Now it's time to roll these out. First, flour the rolling pin. When you're rolling the tortilla, roll away from you, then rotate a quarter turn. Repeat this process until the size you're after. To cook, heat a cast iron or non-stick pan to a high heat. Place tortilla down into the pan. You'll start to see it bubble. Keep cooking until lightly brown, then flip. Roughly 30 to 40 seconds each side. Place into a clean tea towel, then cover and continue onto the others. These will level up any of your wraps or burritos you make in the future, so make sure to save this recipe.
They're delicious.